Ah, oh, Strict 4%. Wait. Mhm. Ito, sige. Bakit ko number 1? Creator ang pinakamadami.
Sana mo po ako. Mali pa.
Mo?
Morning po, sir. Ano adit tada? Teacher, naririnig mo po ako?
Opo.
Good morning po, sir.
Good morning. Let's go for yan.
Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning. Okay, good morning everyone. Can you see the PowerPoint presentation? Nakikita po
Opo.
ba?
Apo.
Okay. So, kumusta? Di ba kayo binagin? Okay, so let's continue our discussion in science. So we will be having 2 lessons this morning. So last meeting, we discussed the different properties of an object. Okay, so we have hard, shiny, and stretchable. So today, we will be discussing a new lesson about changes in materials that are thrown away. Okay, so handa na po ba? Okay, so let's start our discussion. Okay, so in this lesson, we will be discussing, or at the end of this lesson, you should be able to describe the changes that happen in materials when they are thrown away. So this is our main objective this morning. Okay, so have you ever been to a junk shop before? Nakapunta na ba kayo sa junk shop?
Opo.
Not yet. So, the, so nakita, can you see the picture on the presentation? Nakikita po ba?
Opo.
Okay. So, what do you
Yes
think
po.
is we can see in a junk shop, sa junk shop, ano yung makikita natin based on the picture?
Plastic bottles.
Okay, we have plastic bottles. What else?
Mga materials na sila.
Ha?
Broken electric fans.
Okay, broken electric fans. What else?
Newspaper.
Okay, we have newspaper. What else?
Not used phones.
Okay, very good. So, what else? Aside from old appliances? Ha?
So, pot.
Okay, very
Magulo.
good. Okay, Pat, o yung mga lutuan na nakikita natin dyan. So, ang makikita natin sa junk shop, we have old furniture. Binebenta po natin yan. Chair, tables, cabinet, and shelves. At we can also see appliances such as used refrigerators, fans, washing machines, and microwaves. And of course, we have electronics. Pag sinabi natin electronics, ang example na electronics are radio, TV, DVD players, and sometimes computers or parts. So, binebenta din natin dyan sa junk shops. And we have tools. So, examples of tools are your hand tools, power tools, and toolboxes. And narinig ko kanina, your newspaper, and of course, magazine. So, binebenta din yan sa junk shop. Okay? And other objects that we can see sa junk shops are decoration items, bicycle and parts, glassware and ceramics, and of course, toys and games such as used toys, board games, and puzzles. So, nakikita natin yan sa junk shop. So, have you ever tried or selling things or trash to a junk shop? Nasubukan niyo na bang in our Filipino term, we use this one, we term it as your kalakal. Nakapagbenta na ba kayo ng broken, broken or hindi na ginagamit ng mga furnitures, appliances, or electronics? Have you ever tried? Not yet. Okay, so we have here a question. Can all trash be sold in Kalakal? Maibebenta ba lahat
No.
ng uri? Yeah. Okay, so no. So Based on the answer, sino nagsabi ng no? That is correct. So, ano yung mga kalakal na pwede nating ibenta? What do you think, GM? Ano kaya yung mga pwede nating ibenta sa junk shop?
Diamond.
Pato.
Diamond.
Okay, very good. What else?
Broken tablet.
Okay, broken tablet or broken glasses. What else?
Broken TV. Broken
Okay. Broken pot or broken TV. What else?
Broken microwave.
Okay, we have broken
Broken
microwave. Okay, broken
light.
pot. Broken TV. Okay, so your answers are correct. So,
Sheet.
yes. So, we have your computer chip. Okay, so, ang pwede nating ibenta are the items that can be reused, recycled, or turned into something useful or pwede pang magamit, such as your old newspapers and magazine, yung mga hindi na natin ginagamit or binabasa na newspapers sa bahay at magazine, pwede nating ibenta yan sa junk shop. We have also plastic bottles and containers, tin cans and metal scraps, cardboard boxes, broken electronics. Okay, so these are the things or objects that we can sold to the junk shop. Okay, so paano naman yung ano kayang mga objects na hindi natin pwedeng ibenta sa junk shop?
Pillow.
Ha? Pillow? Okay. What else?
About
Ha?
pencil case.
Pencil case?
Blanket.
Okay. Okay, what else?
Plastic bottles.
Plastic bottles? What else? So ano kaya yung mga bawal or hindi
Sira na
tinatanggap?
gamit.
Sira na gamit? Ano kaya yung hindi natin pwedeng ibenta sa junk shop?
Fix na gamit.
Hindi na recycle.
Okay. Fix pa? Okay, what else?
Bayad,
Clothes.
bayadiri.
Okay,
Pencil.
clothing. Pencil.
Load. Yung hindi
Okay.
natin napapakinabangan.
Okay po. What else?
Biodirigin.
Biodegradable materials or yung nabubulok? Okay, that is one. Hindi natin pwedeng ibenta yung mga biodegradable. Pag sinabi nating biodegradable, yung mga nabubulok such as your dirty food waste. Okay? What else? Or human or animal waste, hindi yan tinatanggap sa junk shop. What else?
Banana.
Okay, what else?
Cups. Clothes.
Clothes,
Cups.
clocks. Okay, so
Ano?
these are the other, okay, sige, tignan natin kung tama. Okay, so these are the other materials that cannot or hindi tinatanggap. So number one, hazardous waste. Pag sinabi nating hazardous waste, what do we mean if we say hazardous?
Poisonous.
Poisonous, what else?
Dangerous.
Dangerous or nakakasama sa atin or sa tatanggap ng
Might
kalakal. So,
explode.
yes, pwede siyang mag-explode such as your batteries, chemicals, or medical waste. So these are the hazardous waste that cannot be sold as kalakal. Nasabi na to kanina yung mga biodegradable or yung mga dirty food waste, human or animal waste, and cigarette butts or used tissues. And other are the sharp or broken glasses. Kasi nakakasira yan or pwede kang ma-aksidente sa pag binenta mo yung broken glasses, pwedeng masugat yung tatanggap nito. Okay? So, In this lesson or in this day, you will be able to answer what will happen to materials when we throw them away. Ano kaya yung mangyayari sa kanila? So, have you heard the term throw away before? Narinig niyo na ba yung salitang throw
Yes.
away? Yes. So, what do we mean if you say throw away?
You throw trash away.
Disposable. When throw
Okay,
the object.
disposable. Okay, we can dispose the object. So, what things have you thrown away before? Ano yung mga tinapon niyo na before?
Plastic bottle.
Okay, plastic bottles. What else? Bag? Okay, what else?
Milk box.
Okay, used boxes. What else?
Empty box.
Empty boxes.
Shoes.
What else? Shoes o yung mga
Plastic
sirang
bag.
sapatos.
Plastic spoon and fork.
Okay, plastic spoon and plastic fork. What else?
Plastic bag.
Okay,
Wrapper.
plastic bag. Okay, so, oh, okay, what else? Okay, so later on we will be discussing what will happen today. So nung tinapon nyo, did you, halimbawa yung box, bago mo siya tinapon, then nung tinapon mo siya, may pinagkaiba ba yung boxes? O yung box, o yung silang sapatos, or yung plastic bottle? Bago mo siya
No.
itapon, and nung tinapon mo na siya, may nakita ka bang pagbabago?
Yes.
Okay,
Po.
yes. So, ano-ano kaya yung mga yon? O what are those changes? Okay, yung iba bago mo siya tinapon, such as your, ano yung mga bagay na nagro-rust or nangangalawang?
Metal.
Okay, metals. Okay, example of metal is your tin cans. Okay, nung bago mo siya itapon, as you, nakita mo yung tin can, wala pa siyang rust. Pero nung tinapon mo siya, for certain period of time, makikita mo na may formation na ng rust. Okay, how about the paper? What changes or what change did you observe? Okay, nabasa.
Soak. Naging madumi.
Okay, magiging madumi nung hindi mo pa siya tinatapon, malinis siya, pero nung tinapon mo siya, of course, naging madumi. Narinig yung isa, nung one is, that is dry, but nung tinapon mo siya because of rain, naging basa. At kapag nabasa yung paper, what will happen?
Masisira.
Okay, masisira or yes po,
Before.
mapupuli. Okay, so magiging maliit na particle na lang yung paper. So, if we say throw away, tama po yung sagot ninyo. Pwede po, ang ibig sabihin ng throw away is to dispose or disposable or patapon na. So, let's have an activity. So, in this activity, we will be describing what will happen to different objects when they are disposed of. So, we have here, okay, since we are not in school, we cannot do the science experiment. So, ginawa na lang ni teacher by picture. So we have notebook paper, piece of cardboard, plastic bag, juice cartons, soda can, glass bottle, banana peel, slice of bread, sanitary kit. Ang pag sinabi natin sanitary kit, that includes your gloves, face mask, soap, or alcohol. So what will happen if we will be throwing this one? So we will be describing before, the appearance of the object before, and of course, after na natapon. So let's have here. So, can you observe any change in notebook paper and in the cardboard? So what can you see? Or can you describe what happened to the notebook paper and cardboard when we throw them?
It's soak.
It's soaked. What else? Or nabasa? What else?
Crumpled.
Okay, crumpled. Very good. What else?
Rip.
Nag-iba
Okay,
ng
rip
color.
Okay, yung iba nasunog, yung iba punit-punit na. So that is one
It
observation
dissolves.
that we can see. Yes po. So, narinig ko kanina, it will become dirty because it will now nalagyan siya ng dust or ng putik dahil sa umuulan. Okay? So these are the changes in the appearance of notebook and cardboard after we throw them. Next. How about this one? Can you observe that any changes or change in the plastic bag and plastic juice pack? Ano kaya nangyari?
It's dirty.
Okay, it
It
becomes
dissolves.
dirty. It dissolves yung ano dissolve? Okay, so it dissolves. What else? Yung plastic bag at saka yung plastic juice. Anong nangyari?
Nabasa.
Nabasa. Okay, so yun yung changes na nakita natin. Naging madumi, nag-crumpled, or yeah, okay, nabasa dahil umuulan. So these are the changes that you can see. So, ilang araw kaya bago dust or yung plastic bag ba tsaka yung plastic juice pack is na didecompose po ba siya?
Hindi po.
Okay. Po. So, okay, so, kapag ang plastic bag at plastic juice pack is biodegradable, but it took or it will took up to years or even centuries before they completely disappear or decompose sa ating planet. So, we can observe na unti-unti is napupunit or nadidissolve yung mga plastic materials in a longer period of time. Okay? So, next, what can you observe sa banana peel and of course the bread after we throw them?
The bread.
Okay, nabubulok. What else? What happened to the bread kapag okay, nagkaroon
There
siya
is-
ng molds. Okay, how about the color of the banana peel? What happened?
It's dirty.
Okay, it turns into black or nagkakaroon na ng pantal-pantal na black yung banana peel. So those are the changes when we throw the banana peel and the bread. Okay, next, how about this one, the soda can and the glass bottle? What happened to the glass bottle muna?
Nagsira.
Okay, nabasag or na-break yung glass bottle. How about the tin cans? Narinig
It
ko, we have?
rusted.
Okay, nangalawang siya or naging rusty siya. And the other one is, anong nangyari?
Crumpled.
Nadumi.
Okay, madumi and it crumbled or natupi siya. So those are the changes that we can see in the soda can and the glass bottle. So let's answer this one. So can you give me a material that we discuss? And of course, what do you think is the appearance of that object before you dispose that one? And of course, let's compare now after that one. So like for example, the paper. Kukunin ko na si Crown. Si paper, before I dispose the paper, it is clean. And of course, after I dispose that one, I observe that it changes na naging wet and of course, naging madumi and of course, napunit-punit at crumpled na siya after I dispose the paper. Now I will call someone or who wants to share materials and appearance before and after you dispose the object. Yes, Tristan, can you select one?
Paper.
Okay, paper. What is the appearance of the paper before you dispose that one?
It's clean.
It is clean. Then after you dispose that one, what change or changes on its appearance? Anong nangyari sa paper?
Got dirtier.
Got dirty? What else?
It's gonna be crumpled.
Okay, na-crumple siya. Thank you. Tristan, what else? GM. Okay. Okay, can you describe the materials? The appearance of the materials before you dispose that one? What do you think is the appearance before you dispose? GM.
Glass bottle.
Okay, very good. And after you dispose, what is the appearance or changes?
Dirty and cracked.
Okay, nagkaroon siya na crack. Next, Jared, can you share what material?
Tissue.
Okay, tissue. What before you dispose the tissue, what is the appearance?
It was so clean.
It is clean. But after you dispose, what is the appearance?
It was broken.
It is broken
Dirty.
or it is dirty. Okay, very good, Jared. Next, Flourish.
Ano po, teacher?
What material can you see around you and can you describe before you dispose that one and after you dispose?
Tissue.
Okay, tissue. Can you describe the appearance before you dispose the tissue?
It is clean.
It
Or
is
soft.
clean. Okay, and soft. How about after you dispose that one?
It is crumpled and wet.
Okay, it is crumpled and wet. Next example, can you give a one, Ethan?
Banana po.
Okay, banana. Can you describe before you dispose the banana?
It was fresh.
Okay, it is fresh. How about after you dispose the banana?
It got rotten.
It got rotten. Okay, very good. Next, ribbon. Okay. Okay, can you describe the appearance before you dispose?
It's clean and there's water in it.
Okay, very good. How about after you dispose? What is the appearance?
It's dirty.
Okay, it is dirty. Thank you.
po ako.
Yes po, sige po. Yes, curry. Can you give me a material, then describe before and after that you dispose the object? Curry? Saan na si curry? Nag-CR ata siya. Luke. Sige. Luke, can you give me a material and can you describe before and after you dispose the appearance?
Mango.
Okay, we have our mango. Can you describe the appearance before you dispose the mango?
Clean.
Okay, it is clean. How about after you dispose?
It become dirty.
Okay, it becomes dirty. Okay, so those are the changes that we can see on that one. So let's answer this one. Did the materials change a lot after they were disposed of? Yeah. So in what ways or way did the materials change? In what way daw?
Crumpled by dirty or getting crumpled.
Okay, some of them are crumpled and some of them becomes dirty. What else aside from the two?
Wet.
Okay, they
They're
become
getting
wet.
wet.
Dirty wet and of
Rotten.
course what else?
Nabubulok.
They become rotten or nabulok sila. What else? How about the tin can?
So get rust. Dirty or they soak
Okay.
in dirt.
They become
You
dirty
make
and
it
they
wet.
become rusty. So okay, so they become rusty. So the changes we have napunit, na crumpled, and of course na shattered into pieces such as your um glass glass objects, and of course nagkaroon sila ng rust or they became rusty. So these are the changes. So can you read this one? I want Sam. Can you read this one?
Different other different things change in different ways when they are disposed of.
Okay, thank you, Sam. So, different objects can change into different ways kapag tinapon natin sila or when we dispose them. So, andito na ba sino to? Herson, can you read this one? Herson? Flourish. Can you read this one, Flourish?
Materials changed a lot after they were thrown away in the garbage. Food leftovers such as banana peel and bread slices changed in color and smell. Banana peels became darker, while bread slices got green things on them. These are called molds.
Okay, thank you, Flourish. So, yung iba, such as your food leftover, such as your banana peel, for example, it changed in color and, of course, smell. So, from yellow, okay, naging black siya or it became darker. That is the indication that the banana peel is starting to rot or starting na mabulok yung banana peel. Same as true with other fruits or vegetable or food leftovers. Okay? So, iitim sila or it will change in smell. So, pwedeng babaho yung food. So, indication na yung pagkain is narat or napanis na. Okay, so another one, for example, another example is the bread slices. Okay, kapag titignan natin sila or yung bread is may expiration date. So kapag may expiration date, kapag or sumobra na siya doon sa expiration date niya or the lifespan of the bread, okay, makikita mo na yung green things. They are called your molds. Okay? Ano kaya mangyayari kapag kinain mo yung bread na may mold? What will happen to you?
Sasakit siya Sakit mo. Yung
Okay,
Masakit siya.
Okay, sasakit yung
Sa
chan mo. Okay, very good. So that will be the effect when you eat rotten food or yung napanis na food or yung may mold na pagkain. And of course, you will be hospitalized, okay, for a certain period of time because of that certain code of bacteria or the mold itself. So next, paper waste can change too. Some become torn or napunit while some become crumpled or nagusot. as so this recommended to show examples of torn and crumpled paper waste. So yung paper waste, pwede siyang mapunit, pwede siyang ma-crumple. Okay, so that is the changes that happens into sa paper waste. And of course, glass bottles, soda cans, and plastic juice packs don't change much. Why? Because if we will look into the changes of its appearance, kailangan mong i-observe yan ng mas matagal because the decomposition of these materials will take a longer period of time before you can see that changes of these materials. Last for example, for bottles, you can change the appearance kapag may certain forces na basag yung glass bottles that will change the appearance. For the soda cans, kapag napakan mo yan, of course, it will change automatically in its appearance, makukupi yan. Pero kapag yung rust ang pinag-uusapan, it will take certain period of time bago mo makita yung rust or yung kalawang sa tin cans. Same as true with the plastic juices, it will take time to change its appearance because that is a plastic. Okay, so it will take a longer period of time. Okay, and sometimes cardboard can change a lot, especially if it's thin, like the cardboard used for product packaging, but the thick cardboard used for brown boxes doesn't change much. Okay, so soda cans and other objects that are made of metals will not change much after 3 days, or they can change further when they're disposed for a longer period of time. Okay, so this yung kalawang or having kalawang or becoming rusty is change that usually happen to some metal object. Okay? So, what do you think is the change that can be found common to all materials in the activity? Ano kaya yung kanilang common na pagbabago? Yes, GM. Ano daw kayo yung common na change or changes? Okay? Sa mga materials na diniscuss natin.
Yung kulay.
Yung kulay, okay, very good. And what else?
The black spots.
The black spots, or pakibasa nga po all the materials. Go.
All the materials become dirty and smelly.
Okay, aside from the color, we have also the object becomes dirty and smelly. So that is the common change among these materials that we have discussed. Next. Okay, so the activity has shown common ways materials change when they are disposed of. So, na-discuss natin. So, they becomes wet, smelly, and dirty, and materials made up of paper get torn and crumpled, and some materials like plastics, they may get bent or crumpled, and some materials like food leftovers also get rotten or nabubulok. So these are the changes that we can see in the different objects that we discuss. Okay, so may katanungan po ba?
Wala po.
Wala po.
Wala po. So,
Wala.
okay, so for your activity later on, I will be sending this one. So let's proceed with your next lesson, which is changes in materials that are burned. So at the end of this lesson, you as a learner will be able to describe the changes that happen in household materials when they are burned. So ano daw ang mangyayari? Or so we will be describing what will happen kapag sinunog natin yung mga materials that we can see around us. Okay? So, wag na yan because we discussed that one already. So let's have an activity. So we will be describing what will happen to household materials when they are burned. Okay, so observe the changes in paper and juice cartons and observe the changes in leaves and tree twigs when they are burned. Okay, so let's answer this one. So let's have first the paper and the juice carton. So can you describe the materials before they are burned or bago natin sila sunugin? What do you think is the appearance? This
Clean.
time. Okay, it is
They are
clean.
clean.
They are clean. What else?
Usable.
Okay, they are still intact or kapag titignan natin, same pa rin yung kanyang appearance or yung kanyang object. But how about when we burn that one? What do you think will happen to the cartoon, juice cartoon, and the paper when we burn them?
It became black. To ashes. It became it will like a fireplace.
Okay, very good. So, ang mangyayari dyan is kakainin siya ng apoy and magiging abo
Ashes.
siya or it will become ash. Okay? How about the tree twigs and the leaves? Can you describe what before they were burned? Let's go back again. So this one. So can you describe the appearance of the leaves and the the twigs before we burn them?
Still intact. Brown in color.
Okay, they are brown in color. Okay, so the color of the leaves before we burn them is brown. Same as true with the tree twigs, and they are still intact. How about after we or when we burn them? What will happen to them?
It will get roasted.
It will get roasted. What else?
It
Ano
will
kayang
change.
mangyayari?
It will
Yes.
turn into ashes.
Okay, it will turn into ashes. So let's answer this one. So what change or changes are common to all materials you observe in the activity? Ano daw yung pagbabago na naganap sa dalawa? Sa paper, sa box, sa leaves, and sa twigs? Sa tree twigs. Ano kaya yung common na, na nagbago sa kanila nung sinunog natin sila? They turned into what?
Ashes.
Okay,
But different
so
shape.
they turn into another of or materials. They become or they turn into shells. Okay? So, pakibasa nga po, Jared. It is a common, go.
It is a common practice in many homes to burn things. For example, in many homes, people burn fallen leaves and twigs in their backyard. Some burn twigs, charcoal, and paper for cooking.
Okay, so it is our practice already at home to burn things such as yung mga nahulog na dahon kapag naglilinis tayo or yung mga sanga ng puno. Okay, we burn them. Bakit kaya natin sinusunog these leaves and twigs? Bakit natin sinusunog? Ha?
Para maging clean yung surroundings.
Okay, so to make our surroundings clean. So, others such as your charcoal and paper, we use them for cooking. Same as to with your wood. Okay? We burn them to para makapagluto tayo. Or when we are in the province, kapag maglelechon tayo, we use charcoal or magsusunog tayo ng napakalaking branches ng puno para maging charcoal para doon natin i-cook yung baboy o kaya yung manok. Yes po.
Parang it's bawal to do that in Baguio.
Yes po. Yes, very good. So, burning our basura or trashes or garbage is forbidden dito sa lungsod ng Baguio. So, we have a city ordinance about that one. So, bakit kaya bawal? What will happen kasi kapag nagsunog tayo?
Kasi mag-spread ng fire po sa mga bahay.
Okay, so,
Dahil sa'yo.
Makakasira ng ozone layer.
okay, makakasira ng ozone layer. Very good. What else?
Nakakasira po ng lungs.
The air will get polluted.
Okay, so the air will get polluted. Okay, so it's not only in Baguio, but we have the Republic Act number 9003 na or the Ecological Solid Waste Management Act of 2002, which means it is forbidden for us to burn waste materials that are in the open spaces and of course that release toxic fumes. So be careful with this one. So we have also city ordinances. Kapag na-kuan mo is pwede kang ma-fine. Okay? Next. Ay, sorry. So, since, however, if it is not really a good practice because it will pollute our air, it will pollute our surroundings, and it can create, kapag napabayaan natin, pwede siyang mag-create ng fire or ng sunog. Okay? Kapag napabayaan yung mga apoy na yan or when we burn something. So, the change that we observe when we burn materials are number one, they become hotter while they are burning. And number two, kapag nasunog, ano yung napoproduce natin? Ano yung lumalabas pag sinusunog natin yung isang... Okay, they produce smoke while burning. So these are the two changes that we can see when we burn materials. So they become hotter, the temperature becomes hotter, and number two, they created smoke. Ang lakas ng ulan. And again, okay, so when materials are burned, they become, ano yung mangyayari kapag sinunog natin yung isang bagay? They turn
There
into
will be ashes.
Okay, magiging ashes sila or they will turn to ash or halika. Halikabok ba? Yes. Kapag sinunog natin. And again, what are the in order that fire will start, what are the two components na kailangan mo para possible ang fire? Ano yun?
Gas.
Ha?
Water?
Water?
Gas.
Damascus? Gas? O ano yung kailangan natin? Yung lagi kong
Lighter.
sinasabi ko. Oy, yes, kailangan mo ng lighter. Pero para ma-form yung para mabuo yung fire, ano yung kailangan mo?
Rock and Rock
Diba
and
nung
stick.
Diba yung sa experiment natin ng firewood?
Paper.
Yung teacher.
Oh, diba doon sa
Teacher,
yes.
rock
Sa
and
experiment natin doon sa nung tinakpan natin yung kandila, ng bottle or glass, anong nangyari sa bottle?
Oxygen.
You need
Oxygen.
Okay, nawala yung fire. Then I explained that one. Fire is possible when there are two. We add this one so that fire will be possible. Ano yun?
Oxygen.
Ano yung
air.
Oxygen and oxygen or air and
H2O.
H2O. H2O is water. Air and heat. Di ba? Yun yung pa natin. Possible na magkaroon ng fire kapag there is heat and there is air circulating. So that fire is possible. Tulad nung experiment natin, namatay yung apoy dahil there is no air or oxygen circulating on that object. So do you have any question?
Wala po.
Katanungan po ba? Wala po.
Wala
Okay.
po.
So what did we discuss this morning?
The new things when you throw.
Materials when disposed or thrown away.
Okay, what else?
Ang stop. Materials when burned.
Okay, very good. What else?
About junk.
Okay, about garbages or the changes that will happen if you throw this object and if you burn this materials. So, do you think what is the disadvantage or the bad effect of throwing materials or throwing objects in our environment? What do you think is the harmful effect?
Carbon pollution and CO2.
Okay, so pollution and CO2 is, ano ang tawag natin sa CO2? It is known as carbon.
Dioxide.
Okay, carbon dioxide. So, kapag kapag
ngayon yan.
Meron pang action.
May action ka. Kunwari ngayon, kunwari ngayon, pinabasa ko sa kanya. Tapos, pag pinabasa.
Okay, so the harmful effect of this material is pollution in not only in land pollution, water pollution, but burning materials can cause air pollution and it can cause harmful effect to our health, not only to us human, but to the animals. Okay, so for your activity this morning, okay, so, tuwan ko muna to. So, below are the objects. Okay, below are the pictures of things you find at home. Draw what you think could happen if these things were burned. Under your drawings, describe each materials change or the changes that happen to these two. We have the katol and the newspaper. So you do this one on your science notebook. Opo? Opo?
Yan po, teacher.
Sa science notebook, ano?
Ngayon ba?
Okay, send ko na lang later on. Opo? So, do you have any questions?
Wala po.
Wala po. Okay, so, okay, let's have your attendance check. So, can you open your microphone? Oh, microphone, sorry. Camera, sorry. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay. Another one? Wait. Okay, next. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if there is no more question, thank you for joining our online class. And if the weather permits, we will have face-to-face tomorrow. And kapag there is no cancellation of class for tomorrow, we will have face-to-face. However, pag alam nyo na delikado ang lalakaran nyo, dadaanan nyo, don't you worry. I will be giving your summative test on when you are complete already. So don't worry about your summative test. If you are kapag kapag hindi kaya talaga na pumunta because yung dadaanan mo is nakakatakot, then we will have the hybrid class, okay? Yung pwedeng not face-to-face, you can come sa school pag walang cancellation, ha? Then, yung mga hindi pwede, then we will have your online class or your hybrid class. I will be using the same link for the hybrid class. So po, pag walang cancellation bukas, pag one. Again, your safety ang priority natin, ha? Opo? Di bale, flexible naman po ang ating schedule. Opo? Okay, so good everyone. I will be sending your activity later. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Magka-class po
Bye-bye.
kami mamaya.
Bye po, teacher. Bye. Thank you.
Sir. Oh my
Bye, guys. Gusto ka na dyan, Tristan.
God.
Gusto ka na dyan.
Okay lang. Hindi ko na datong kay teacher. Hi, Raven. Damn, you got Max PC.
Yes.
Damn, this is silver. Back to the bed. Back to the
Oh
bed.
my God! It's Louis's background again. It looks like his father.
Hindi background ko yan. Eh, kalbo naman ang ko eh.
Okay.
Kaya hindi na
Bakit di si Flores nag-usap?
Ano? Teka. Pag,
ayaw kasi.
teka lang. Pag,
That's
yung online class ni Ma'am Step, pag 10 na p.m. na, magpunta na tayo.
10:40?
Hindi, ng 10 or already, mag-ilis tayo ng 10. 10, okay, walang 10.
10.
Walang ganun.
Are you safe? Most people are. Wait lang.
1, 0, tapos 10, tapos 0. Wala. So 10 o'clock in the morning. Okay? Tsaka kayo mag-AM. 9:24 sa 9:24.
Parang minsan. Guys, wait lang chat ko lang mukha ko.
Sige.
Best friend ko na babae.
Okay.
Ito nga
Pumasok yung isang baby brother ko dito. Ito, kanina. Yung 1-year-old pa lang. 4-year-old naman,
Iyak.
teka lang.
Bakit?
Secret.
Secret.
Secret ako. Yung Ma'am Step. Si Ma'am Step. Ang tita ko pala. Mga balang. Tita ko pala si tita. Alam, hindi mo alam si tita ko si
Hello.
alam mo si Ma'am Step, tita ko sa ano?
Hello. Aray.
Alam
Ka.
mo
Aray.
yung tita ko, yung teacher ko na isa. Si Ma'am Step.
Aray ko.
Ang isang baby brother ka naman, 4-year-old.
No pet?
Ano yung favorite car mo? Ano yung paboritong sasakyan mo? What is your favorite dad? What is your favorite
Ano?
game?
Paano pag minahal mo siya pero iba naman minahal niya?
Paano mo alam? Na ganun na nga ako eh. Sasabihin mo pa.
Bakit? Aray.
Wait lang Wait lang. Wala. Aray. Sanin. Di ba? Sige muna ako. Charge
Sige.
muna.
Oh,
Okay.
Nintendo Switch 2 rin ako, alam mo.
Sanin. Di mo ba? Kaya pa. Kachat ko lang. I-charge mo na daw siya. Pre, iniwan ako. Iniwan pa naman ako. Crush ko pa naman.
Narinig mo yung Switch ko?
Ha?
Narinig mo yung Nintendo Switch?
Then you got Max.
Pangalan ko Mario Games dito dahil kasi Super Mario to.
Oh, okay. Just gonna watch TikTok.
Bilis ko mag-wish nito.
Wow.
Ako yung Red Mario.
May crush ka pala.
Nahulog ako.
May crush ka.
Ako yung ganito, oh. Ako
Ako,
dito. Ako yung nandito, nanalo ako. 8 yards. Dalawa na lang tayo. I hope no one bumps me. Jesus, ooh. I swear, that really hit me hard. Oh, Peach fell. Oh, I'm gonna fall. Oh, what really bad thing happened? Oh, come on, knock Green Mario down. There. You're done. You're done, you two. What did I say? I set this to hard mode. Look, this is a racing game. It's Yoshi's Mountain Race. You have to race on top of the mountain too, and you should eat fruit to dash for a few seconds. Man, I won you 17 times. I don't even need to practice on this game. So far, Yoshi's Mountain Race is my favorite game in Jamboree. Mario Party Jamboree, I mean, it's also very good. But some games are very extreme.
Yeah.
I got a special skin. I got a special I got a special color on this Nintendo Switch. It's like purple and orange. Purple and orange. But they even have a purple and orange Nintendo Switch.
This is your love, move the how we go. Wow, you feel go.
Jesus, that would slow me. That thing would that part would have slowed me down. That part would have slowed me down if I hit that. If I hit
Oh,
that really bad.
oh.
What?
Nilalaro mo? What are you playing?
Super Mario Party Jamboree. I also have Super Mario Odyssey here.
What are you, oh, I played that before.
Yeah. Wait, did you play Super Odyssey before? Did you play it? You played the Super Mario Odyssey? I did too. My dad finished it.
Oh,
My dad finished it.
JM.
What?
Ano yun? Do you play Roblox?
Yeah, but then it got deleted because I encountered a hacker who scared me. Yeah, he really scared me. And he did a jump scare on me in rooms. You know rooms, that thing where you hide in lockers or tables so that the enemies / monsters can't see you. Yeah. Just to go or if you can there. Also please jump scare.
Do you play ML? Wait, I'm
More
in bed.
power, please. I have 150, I think.
Do you play COD?
What?
Do you play COD? COD?
What COD?
Oh my god. Okay, wala.
Oh, I was spinning. I'm spinning. I have 159 moons. 159 power moons. I need 91 more. Are you serious? I can't hit that much. Okay, bye now.